everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. So today I have a little gift set to share with you. I am going to show you how to do the little card. I love 3x3 cards, and if you followed me very long, you know I love these 3x3 cards. They are perfect for a little gift set. I made this little box. Look how cute this box is. Oh my gosh, I love this bundle. It's just so cute. The paper's so cheerful and so fun. And so I wanted to make a card with it because I am giving this to someone as a thank you. So this is the box I'm going to share, and this is the card. We're going to do the card first because the card's super quick and easy, and the box isn't hard either, but this is such a cute little card. Don't forget to put something on the inside too. I put a little bit of the repositional adhesive on the inside to try to hold it closed, but it's not staying closed. So I also did an envelope. We do carry the 3x3 envelopes, Stampin' Up does, and so it's perfect because sometimes I don't want to make an envelope, so I just stamp the outside and just put a little decoration on there for the envelope. So this is what I'm going to share today, the little box and the card, this little gift set. Isn't it so cute? I'm going to show you the bundle. This is in the new mini catalog, or I call it the spring catalog. It's a new mini catalog. You've probably heard me talk about it already because celebration is going on. So this is the mini catalog. It's January to June. And then this is Celebration, which Celebration is only January and February. So remember that because this has changed this year. It's a new schedule that Stampin' Up has come up with. So it is only January and February now. You are going to get to choose a free product with every $50 you spend. You can spend it out of any of the catalogs, the annual or this mini, and then you get a free product in here. So what I am using today is the Sweet Strawberry. So this is the stamp set that I'm using. This is a bundle with the Strawberry Builder. So this is the punch that goes with it. It makes it so quick and easy. And then if you really want to jazz it up, when you purchase this bundle, you can choose out of the Celebration catalog this. This is the Berry Blessings. This is a bundle this year. So you can get this bundle if you spend $100. This is the paper that I'm using, and it's gorgeous. I want to tell you, this paper is so pretty, and here's the stamp set. So you can add blueberries to this because there's blueberries and raspberries. And I love this. I love both of these together. They work so well together. And the paper, you have to have the paper. I'm sorry, but look at this paper. Look at how fun this paper is. And so this is, look at this. And look at the opposite side. This paper is so fun and cheerful. I love it. But look at it. So if you spend $100, you get the bundle. Look at the blueberries. I cannot wait. And they coordinate so well together. I just love this. So this is what I'm using for this project today. I'm not using the Berry Blessings, the free stamp set, but I am using the Sweet Strawberry bundle. All right, so let's get started. I am using Poppy Parade for this one. So this piece is 11 by 6. And then you are going to need to mat it. So you are using one piece that's 2 7/8 by 3 7/8. Another piece that's 7/8 by 3 7/8, and then one more piece that's 1 7/8 by 3 7/8. So this is for the box. For the card, I am using a 3x6, scoring it at 3 to make a 3x3 card base. And then to mat it, you'll need a piece that's 2 7/8 by 2 7/8 to mat it. I'm also using another new punch. This goes with another bundle, but this is the double oval punch. I'm loving how we are coming back with so many punches. It makes it super quick and easy. Although I love my dies, you know how much I use them, but I really like quick and easy sometimes too. You're also going to need some scrap Whisper White. So let's go ahead and do the card really quickly because this card is going to be a fast one. So we're just going to mat this. I'm using my Stampin' Seal. And we're going to mat this. This is directional, so make sure you put it on the right way. I really like using my wet glue for this, but I wanted to try to make it a little bit quicker. All right, so what you're going to need to do is you need a piece of scrap of the Poppy Parade. And I'm just going to punch out the oval that is scalloped. And then out of this one, we're going to do the regular oval. So this is going to be for our sentiment. So let's go ahead and stamp that with some Memento Black. These are all from the same stamp set. It says, "This was so sweet of you." And there you go. Got the sentiment done. We're going to adhere this. I wanted to keep it flat, so I'm not going to pop it up, but you can pop it up. I did pop up the strawberry. And then we'll add this to the front. And I'm adding this a little bit. Why am I having a hard time today? Oh, I'm towards the end. Towards the end of this. So I'm putting it a little bit higher so I can fit the strawberry, because the strawberry is a really good size. And then we're going to stamp using some Poppy Parade and some Garden Green. So I am doing the strawberry in the straight Poppy Parade. And then I'm going to do the inside part. We are going to stamp off. And we're going to line that up. And then we are going to use the Garden Green, and we are going to do, this has an outline too, but I liked it just plain. But we are punching these out separately. So I'm going to do this one this way. Hopefully I got that going the right way, because I always do that. And then we're going to just use some Memento Black. And we're going to do the little, you can make a matrix for this, by the way. And you can stamp them all at the same time. I prefer just doing them individually. So I am going to cut this because I think I got them all going the wrong way. Now we can do the strawberry. So we're going to punch that one, and then I'll do this flower here. By the way, there is a direction on the flower. And then we'll do this one right here, the little stem. All right, got it all ready to go. Now the only thing I'm doing here is I'm going to color the flower with the light Flirty Flamingo, because there is Flirty Flamingo in the Designer Series paper. So we're just going to color that. All right, let's get this finished. I'm using some wet glue, and I'm going to add the little stem of this strawberry. My hands are ice cold. I've been saying this in the last few videos, but I'm having a hard time grabbing things because my hands are so darn cold. It gets so cold back here. So we're going to put the strawberry on with a dimensional. I'm going to put that one right here, and then we're going to put the flower on with another dimensional. We're just going to put it right next to it, just like that. Isn't that cute? Just love it. All right, so let's go ahead and get on with the box. Super, super quick and easy. So let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and stamp first, because you already saw me stamp. I can kind of go through this really quickly, and we can get these all punched and ready to go. All right, so we've got them all ready now to go. We're going to do the same thing with the strawberry. We're going to put our little stem on it, and we got that all ready to go. We have one more thing to stamp and punch, and that is the sentiment. And I'm just using the four just for you. And I'm going to use my 1-inch circle punch for this, which Stampin' Up! Doesn't carry this one anymore, but these are very, very popular. The 1-inch, you can find them anywhere. All right, now we're all ready to go. I'm going to set these all to the side, and let's score our box. All right, so on the 11-inch side, I'm going to score it at 2, 3, 6, 7, and 10. Then you're going to turn it and you're going to score it at 1 and 5. All right, now to cut. We are going to cut, this is the 1/2-inch side right here at the top. So what we're going to do is, this is actually the flap that's going to go on the inside, and I'll show you that I did this a little bit different, but I'm going to show you now because I didn't want to tie the ribbon and stuff. So this is the 1/2-inch side, and this side is, I believe, 1.5. Yes, it's 2 inches. So what you're going to do first is you are going to cut this, and you're going to cut this corner right here off. I'm going to show you this way, and it'll be easier to show you because you want to have some flaps inside your box. So now you can cut all the way down if you want to this. So we're going to cut this, and we're going to cut this one too. And then we're going to cut in on these because these are our inside flaps. So when you're doing it, you can cut all the way down to that second score mark. All right, now on the sides, we are cutting in here. Of course, we're doing both sides the same. We're going to do this. Cut in on those. And then this one, we are cutting off these little corners right here. And we are going to use our little 1-inch circle punch again, and we're going to put a little bit of a, and I just did this, I just wanted to try something a little bit different, and I liked the way it worked, and I'll show you here in just a minute. We're going to score all these. I'm going to use some wet glue here. So we are going to pull this up. You're going to put adhesive on these two sides. So pull these up. I'm telling you, my hands are not working today. And you are going to line the sides up. And you're going to have two. You don't have to leave that flap on if you don't want to, but I really like it because you can put loose candy in here now and won't have a problem. So these are folding in. Those are your inside flaps, but then this is going to fold down like that. And then this is going to come down and around like that. Just thought I'd show you something a little bit different. I like that little flap, and when you put the little notch, it's easy to pull open. But if you do put some kind of loose candy, it's going to hold it in there because you have both flaps there. All right, so what we're going to do is mat this. So let's go ahead and mat. By the way, isn't that cute too? It looks like watermelon seeds or strawberry seeds. And we're going to mat that. And then we're going to mat the top, the front of it. So pretty. Oops, got that one a little bit off. There we go. That's why I like the wet glue. And then we're going to mat this very top right here. And that's optional. If you don't mind it being plain, I like it matted though. All right. So now what I'm doing is I'm going to grab our sheer real red ribbon, and this because it's sheer, it matches the Poppy Parade, and Poppy Parade is pretty close, but we are going to tie a bow around here. I love this sheer ribbon. I'm so happy it stuck around after our holiday catalog. And then we are going to tie a bow. You know me, I can play with this bow forever. So we're going to leave it like this. It's so pretty. I like it a little bit smaller, but I just keep on adjusting it until I get it where I want it. All right, we're going to trim this one. I think that's good. All right, now we're ready to put on our sentiments and our strawberry. So we are going to attach this, and this is what I'm doing. Oops, I'm using actually glue dots for this because I want to be able to take the ribbon off and have the other sentiment and all that come with it. And if I glue it, it might glue it to the top of this box. So what I'm doing is just putting a glue dot there, and I'm setting it right on the ribbon because I want, when I untie the ribbon, for this to all open. We're using a dimensional, again, for the strawberry and for the flower. So we're going to do the strawberry, and we're putting this all on this ribbon. And then we're going to do the flower. And this way, when they untie the ribbon, the other pieces are going to come off too. Just like that. But there you have it. And here's the card. So here's the other two. Look how fun these are. I just love them. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, this is a January hostess code, and I have to tell you, I've had quite a few questions here lately about the hostess code. If you spend $150 or more, do not use the hostess code. If you spend $150 or less, use the hostess code, and I'll put you in a drawing for free hostess dollars at the end of the month. All right, everyone, have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.